Three more. If y'all don't know, that's how you sync up audio for the simpletons out there. I said the other day in one of those videos, I've been so damn active as of late. That's why I gotta say one of those videos, because I'm not sure which one of them videos that I'm talking about, to be honest. But I swear I'm gonna niche down one day, or not. But anyway, the name of this video, I ain't even named the video yet, but what this video is about, I'm gonna give damn, son, fucking me up. I'm gonna give three reasons you should create videos outside of your niche. That is, if you have a niche. If you don't have a niche, that translates to don't have a niche, man. I look at it like this. Content is like fruit. Content is like food. You know what I'm saying? Here's a good analogy. Say you have a child. It tastes pizza for the first time like a toddler or some shit. I'll say 7 years old. That's not a toddler, but it doesn't matter, man. Just get to the point. Okay, I am gonna get to the point. Shut the fuck up. This is my video, not yours. When you're a YouTuber over 40, you sometimes go off into tangents and rant. What? Anyway, say you got a kid. That bitch like 5 years old, right? It tastes pizza for the first time. It loves pizza. You're such a great parent. You're like, you know what? I'm gonna give you pizza every day. You get that little motherfucker pizza every single day, and it loves the pizza. A month goes by, 2 months goes by, 3 months goes by, shit, 6 months goes by. Damn, you on month number 10. It's still liking the pizza, but you can tell through time, rather, it's less desirable, it's less satisfying, but it still likes it. You know what I'm saying? It's still its favorite food. It's the only food that it knows that it likes. But that's because it's gotten conditioned. It enjoys pizza, but the more it ate pizza throughout that year, the less desirable, the less satisfying the pizza was. But it's still eating it because that's all it knows, right? Happy New Year. Real quick, I just wanted to show y'all something real normal. Not that. And that's the plane. Happy New Year. The ball drops. I almost ran this red light. Ball drops. That nigga already sleep because it's midnight by then. You know what I'm saying? The motherfucker shouldn't be up past no damn midnight unless you a horrible parent. Anyway, the ball dropped. Next morning, that nigga got up. It ate pizza for breakfast. Went to school. 7 years old. I think 7-year-olds are in school. If not, we just gonna say the 7-year-olds are in school. We're not gonna say 7-year-olds are in school because if it was in school for lunch, sometimes them niggas don't have pizza. We just gonna act like 7-year-olds are not in school. Okay? So you gave that nigga pizza for breakfast. He took the nap. You did all of your stuff. It comes around to like 7 o'clock because when you have kids that are like that young, you gotta eat dinner early. You know what I'm saying? They gotta be in bed by like 9 or some shit, right? Okay. So 9 o'clock comes, or 8 o'clock, whatever time that nigga go to bed normal. The time come around, it's chilling over there, it can't wait because it's hungry. You know what I'm saying? It's hungry, it's ready for dinner. You know what I'm saying? It's ready for that pizza. But then what do? Hit that nigga with a Philly cheesesteak. He gonna look at it weird. He gonna look at it real weird. He gonna look at it like, what the? Truthfully, give him a pizza steak, cheesesteak. Boom. There you go. Cause that's actually proving a point of what I was. He gonna be like, I know it don't look like the conventional pizza that I normally be giving you. Trust me on this. I don't know if they going straight or not. Yep, that would have been an accident had I gone. I'm gonna wait till this shit totally clear. Okay, they going straight. Now I got it. Okay, so anyway, you like, yo, I'm your parent. I'm your parent, little nigga. I ain't gonna tell you to do nothing. I ain't gonna tell you to do nothing that's gonna be harmful for your ass. Now eat it, try it out. Takes a hit of that cheesesteak, that motherfucker start crying. He starts crying. You know why? Because you just blew his mind. A whole new world. Now, why have you been holding out on me the whole time? You've been giving me pizza the whole time. I didn't know that you were capable of giving me other options, other flavors, other cuisines. Feel me? When you niche yourself out, that took a long time. That took a long time just to get where we are. Started from the bottom, but now we here. When you niche yourself out, what you're doing, you're handicapping yourself. Not so much handicapping yourself. Yeah, that's what you are. You're handicapping yourself for a gain, for a cheap gain is what I like to say. As far as platforms and the internet and social media, instead of being a product, I will never ever totally niche myself out. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing more photography oriented stuff on this channel. But when you do that, and you only do that. Like I'll take for instance, I put money, there are channels on YouTube that only review coffee. So every day or however many uploads they do, their whole existence on the internet, their whole existence on social media, YouTube is reviewing different coffee, right? All of their subscribers watch every one of their videos. They say the same thing about coffee, either the coffee bad, the coffee good, or the coffee mid, right? The reviewers enjoy that shit. And they have 200,000 subscribers, right? They missing out on the pastry niggas. They're missing all pastry niggas. So why not throw a pastry in there with the coffee, eat the pastry, and then now the pastry subscribers start to roll in. Now you getting the beverage and you getting the cake. You getting the dessert, trickles into breakfast because pastries are breakfast, coffee is breakfast. Some people drink coffee all times of night, so you getting the truckers. Feel me? You getting everybody then. We got the toaster strudel. See what? But do you get what I'm saying in a way? I'm doing a horrible job at this cereal. Then what if you threw cereal in the mix? You have a bowl of cereal before you have your coffee. Now guess what? Now you got the cereal subscribers. So now you got the cereal subscribers, the coffee subscribers, the toaster strudel subscribers, right? Before you know it, you'll have the entire breakfast. Why you want just one item on the breakfast menu when you can have the big breakfast? And it may not make sense, but I said it, so it absolutely makes sense. So I say that to say this: a niche is good for your YouTube channel if you basic, if you want to just stick to the program, if you just want a base audience and be a robot for your whole existence on YouTube. If you want to portray yourself, you got to show more elements of your personality. You got to show more elements of what you like. Like, I love photography, I love video, but it's literally a video, so anything you put up on YouTube is going to be a video. But I would get so bored and complacent just posting up photography shit, POV photography shit. It's gonna be fun at the beginning, but at the same time, you need variety, man. You gotta have variety, like real shit. You gotta have, I really think, and this is a stretch, but this is conspiracy Aaron coming out here. I really think that the niche, vidIQ, genres, I think it's somewhat of a conspiracy to where it's dumbing people down. I turn on camera, grab fast food, eat the fast food, they subscribe and share it till the next day. I go eat more fast food, edit it, upload it, and then it literally turns people into robots, man. I think that all this social media shit and influencer shit and genre shit and niche shit is kind of placed by design in order to dumb us down from being ourselves. Because the more ourselves that we are, the more we evolve. You know what I mean? When you get so comfortable doing the same thing and getting the money for that and keeping your bait, you lose your adventure. You're not gonna take risks. When you niche up, you get to the comfortable spot and you stay stagnant. When you run outside of your niche, then you showing that you can do this, you can do that. Like a kickboxer. A kickboxer go into the UFC, they'll never be champ, or they could be champ. For the most part, you gotta have all elements of the game to become a complete fighter. If you're a content creator, you're a YouTuber or whatever, I don't wanna be the nigga known for coffee. I don't wanna be the nigga known for photography. I don't want to be the dude known for studying YouTube SEO. I don't want to be the dude that's over 40 and doing YouTube videos and that's all I talk about. When somebody subscribes to this channel, I want them to see a video that for one sparks their interest and they like, you know what I'm saying? They have similar interests, right? I want them to stay to see what the fuck I'm gonna do next. You feel me? The next video, boom, they don't fuck with it at all. Throw a comment in the section, be like, yo, man, you need to do more of that other shit. Instead of just dumbing yourself down, what do you call it? What's the damn word, man? I'm not gonna remember the word. I'm not gonna remember the word. I'm liable to go over here and this camera dead. Because this motherfucker was at 63% when I left the house, and for some reason, battery drains real quick. And I even got an external battery pack on top and it's not plugged in. I just noticed that. I can go ahead and stop this one. That's the longest video that I've ever recorded with the iPhone. Hoping that I did. I'm hoping that the audio is good first and foremost. I'm ruining this shit because your boy's a smoker. And I went over a month. I went a month and a half without smoking at all. And now just like that, he's back. I'm so creative. I be creating on the fly. Chosen ones. Having fun with this shit again. And I say it before, I'm not even gonna say it. Just like, get it done and stop. You know, put in a nutshell, stop fucking explaining myself. That's what I'm gonna do. Next video I do, when I start explaining myself, stop me as if y'all niggas gonna be right here. No. Just call it out in the comments, real. Even though with the magic of editing, edit all that out, but I want it to be organic. So, cause this shit, I don't even know if this shit even still on. I was about to cut it off, but I forgot the idea. I need my wallet, I need my phone. I'm gonna pay for this shit. Do I need my phone? Yeah, I might as well take my phone. I'm gonna leave, I'm leaving the car on. I'm gonna leave the camera on. Holy shit. Go up in here, see if you can still hear it. And that's gonna be another test, folks. Finish my cigarette though. Go in and grab some beer. Real quick. I'm gonna put that right here. And go get this done. So I ain't gonna lie, I want a couple beers tonight, real shit. I ain't had no beer this entire week. If this mic works all the way in here, that'll be crazy, because I'm literally going inside the Dollar General, parked on the side of it, going into the front. If it breaks the barrier of these walls. Hey, how you doing? I want me a little bottle of wine. I'm gonna get some Busch Light. So I just want a couple beers, at least a couple beers, but. And I'm gonna get a bottle of wine for us to share, a little Merlot. Cab Sauvignon. Cab Sauvignon. Hey, how you doing? Good, and you?
I'm doing well.
Let me get that and then this.
Okay. Do you mind if I take a gander at your license or your new face
Yeah.
for me?
Oh, no problem. There we go.
Thank you, sir.
All right. And then, I'll wait. Oh, that'll do it.
Alrighty, that's what it was going to be, $17.42. Unfortunately, I cannot give any cash back right now.
Oh, I'm good. I don't need any cash back. Boom. There we go. All right, thank you. All right, you too. Yeah, the cigarette's still burning too. Is it still on? So damn, 60-something%. 60-something% worked pretty damn good. And it's still on. Boom. You know what? You know what? You know what? And then he demonetizes the shit by putting on. I was just about to do it too. As if it matters, you know what I mean? Real shit, like I'm acting like I be 3,000 fucking new subscribers each video or some shit. I'm gonna put it on. Oh, I know what I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put on my grip pliers, boy. You don't know nothing about that shit, boy. You don't know nothing about this shit, boy. Shut your ass up, boy. Bitch ass, boy. This shit could be on all streaming platforms too, but I think it was unreleased. Oh, and it died.